Hey, what's going on, guys? Dynarider back at you with another video. In today's video, I want to go ahead and I want to talk about the order of precedence when it comes to slow speed motorcycle riding skills. Okay, these being your head and eyes, your smooth inputs on your controls, your brakes, the maintenance on your bike, maintenance on your gear. These are all going to be fundamentals for you guys when it comes to being a smooth, confident rider when you're out here riding these drills and riding these streets. And today, I've actually got Chris with us. Chris, go ahead and tell us a little bit about your channel, brother.
So I have a channel that's vintage RVs. It's called American RV Restoration. We're based here in Longview, and we do everything from Shastas, Airstreams. We've got a lighthouse out there, Argosies. Do full restorations to even just put in an AC on top. Check us out, give us a like and subscribe, and do your safety drills.
Absolutely. With that said, Chris, how long have you been riding?
I got my license in October.
Okay.
So, and I can't math that fast. That's about five months.
Okay, so still fairly new rider. So with that said, guys, Chris has actually been out here for a little bit with me, and he's run through this drill a couple times, and he's done great. Absolutely done great. I want to thank you, Chris, for coming out here and having a set of cojones to come on out here and try some of these drills that even some of the more experienced riders aren't doing, man.
Well, we didn't show me going outside the cones, you know.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Alrighty, guys. So if Chris does end up going outside the cones, don't hold it too heavily against him. Well, you know, that's the magic of the post edit. But you know, that's just not how Dynarider rolls. I show you guys the hard truth. And so if I go outside the cones, I leave it in. I'm gonna do the same thing for Chris here, just because, you know, that gives him inspiration to be like, hey man, I went outside the cones last time. It's not gonna happen again. And it goes to show you guys that, hey, not everybody starts out as an expert. Okay. Before we get into this as well, I want to go ahead. I want to thank Black Dragon BikerTV for all the support that he's given my channel over the last month. I've had a hard month down here in East Texas. This is actually my first chance to get out here and film a video for you guys, and it's been over a month since I've uploaded. So I definitely want to say thank you guys for the time here and understanding, as you know, East Texas just went through some pretty difficult times. And also, throttle back, rubber down. This challenge is going out to you. This drill is called the box circle. Alright, and I will throw up a diagram of the drill right here. And let's go ahead and get into this. And throttle back, rubber down. I look forward to seeing your response to this drill right here, brother. Get to riding.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Dynarider here. I'm just going to go ahead and take a quick second and pause this video for you guys really quick. On the day of filming, I wasn't able to convey everything that I was wanting to convey, so I'm going to pause the video really quick, and I'm going to go over everything that I consider the motorcycle riding skills order of precedence. Okay, number one is maintenance and gear. One of the easiest things you can do to ensure you are safe while riding is to maintain your motorcycle. Keeping up with routine maintenance will dramatically decrease the chances of a catastrophic failure of equipment resulting in a crash. In addition to maintaining your motorcycle, wearing proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, can greatly decrease your chances of getting seriously injured or killed in the event of a crash. Number two, head and eyes. Looking where you want to go will improve your ability to avoid hazards, turn more smoothly, and dramatically improve your slow speed riding. When I say looking where you want to go, I want you guys to imagine that you guys only have one eye and it's on the center of your chin. So you have to literally point your chin where you want your machine to go. Friction zone control. Having good friction zone control will enable you to have confidence and the ability to be 100% the boss of your machine. Throttle control. Having throttle control will enable you to not only improve your slow riding skills, but will also transfer into riding on the road as you practice good following distance and prevent whiskey throttle or panic throttle in the case of an emergency. Body position. Your body position on your motorcycle controls your body weight distribution on the machine, whether it's leaning with the motorcycle in road riding or counterweighting the motorcycle in slow speed situations. Body position will dramatically affect the way your bike responds. Braking. We all know that brakes stop us when we need to, but knowing how to brake is critical. We want to use progressive brake pressure by gradually adding more and more pressure to the brakes until we come to a stop, using both the front and rear brakes. This is proper braking technique and can save you from dropping your bike. We can also use braking to add stability as we ride, applying slight pressure to the rear brake as we do slow speed riding will not only control or reduce our speed as we do our drills, but will also provide stability and a sense of confidence and control you won't find otherwise.
Alright guys, so one thing I really love about this drill is it absolutely forces you to use your head and eyes as you're going through these maneuvers. Alright, so watch his head as he goes through here. See, he's already looking. He's already looking. Alright, he's a little bit late on that head turn, and you can see it affected him there. Go ahead and bring it back around. There's that head turn, nice and early. Keeps that head turning. Hear that throttle? That throttle is nice and smooth. He's using the friction zone to modulate how much power is going to the rear wheel, and he is counterweighting. Alright, now he's going to come on out, circle it around, and he's going to go out the other side. Pretty easily done, right? Good job. Alright, let's see how Dynarider does.
Well, there's that second circle.
So, did you notice the difference there in with those tips I gave you before you went out there? Keep that throttle up and modulate with your friction zone.
Oh yeah.
Did that make it a bit easier?
A little bit. I'm used to that going down dirt roads with this thing.
Yeah.
You definitely got to do it with that. It's a little bit of a new deal doing it with turns.
Okay.
More. Because, I mean, you don't do this tight of a turn on the road all the time.
No, you don't. But it's good to know that you can.
Yeah, and it's great confidence, like, knowing I can get out of the tight spot a whole lot easier.
That's what we're all about here with Dynarider, man, is building better, safer, more confident motorcycle riders. What better way to build confidence than to go out there and do more than what you actually have to do? You know, it's easy enough to do a U-turn right here, but if you got to do a U-turn in half that space, you know, how much more confident are you going to be in being able to do that big U-turn if you know you can do the little one?
Oh, yeah.
So, all right, man, I'm going to go ahead and hop on. I'm going to run through it a little bit. Just watch what I do and give me some feedback when I come back to park.
Sounds good.
back, rubber down. This drill is yours. I feel like I went a little wide on that last shot.
The last shot around.
Yeah. But I think everything else is tight.
Yep. I think if we judge this crack, just outside that crack, you can see that. That's the outside of the box.
Yeah. I agree.
That's real. Whew.
But all in all, man, what do you think?
I feel like you went in slower than I did.
A little bit.
And you got the second turn the right way. That's a bit of a doozy when you're going, because you're coming back in. What is it? You're coming back in right, and you have to switch immediately left. It's a hard look.
Yeah. You really have to be snappy with that head and eyes.
Oh yeah.
Do you see how early I was turning my head and eyes?
Yeah.
Like
you're coming out of the turn and you're already.
Yeah, that's exactly how you got to be. You got to be looking where you want that bike to go, not, you know, because you can't change what's 2-3 feet in front of you.
Nope.
You got to be looking to where you can actually affect where that bike's going. If that makes sense. Alrighty, guys. Go ahead, check out the Facebook group in the channel description down below, in the video description down below. Give this video a like. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to go check out Chris's channel. What was your channel, Chris?
American RV Restoration.
American RV Restoration. That'll be down in the description as well. Check out Black Dragon BikerTV and Throttle Back Rubber Down, guys. We're all about inspiring new riders to get out here and practice. So if you guys like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on those notification bells so you guys get notified when I upload new content. Dynarider out. Peace.